Hello, I'm Gary Newell, Global Product Specialist for Kinze, and today I'm here to discuss vacuum meters with you. Kinze offers two vacuum meter systems today. The first is in front of me, which is our True Rate vacuum meter, and the second is our True Speed vacuum meter. Let's dive into the details of the True Rate vacuum meter. This meter is our second generation of system, and it is capable of performing at up to 13 kilometers per hour. It's a multi-crop workhorse, supporting crops such as corn, soybeans, sunflowers, rapeseed canola, sugar beets, milo, specialty crops such as navy beans and pinto beans, and even wheat. Let's dive into how this system operates, and let's start by looking at how you take it apart. The system is designed to be toolless, meaning to open it up, you detent this, and you rotate the cover from the housing. There are two pieces to this, the cover and the housing. As you can see inside of the meter today, we have it set up for corn. The way we can tell that is we have a corn disc and we have the corn ejector wheel. Now, let's move into how to change crop types. If you want to switch from crop types, this is a toolless system. So the first step is to remove the ejector wheel. We do that by pressing this down, pulling it out. And the second step is to remove the disc. We do that by holding down with one hand, rotating the locking feature here, lifting up. And to change to the next crop is as simple as doing the opposite. So let's change over to soybeans. So we take our new disc, we line it up on the locking mechanism, we twist in the opposite direction, and then we take our ejector wheel, we line it up with the spring, press down lightly, aligning it into the opening on the side, and then we detent that so that the other side springs in. Now, we then put our cover on, and we do so by lining up the four locating features and rotating until we feel the engagement snap here. And that's all it takes to change over from one crop to the next crop with a True Rate vacuum meter. Let's talk about drive mechanisms. The True Rate is a meter that we use on both of our classic machines and our technology machines. Whenever it is configured for a classic, that means ground contact drive, this hub is spun by the chain drive system. Whenever we talk about electric drive system, this cover is removed and an electric motor is applied, allowing this to be controlled by our Blue Vantage system. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the inside of the meter and understand how seed flows through this meter. Seed enters the housing through the opening in the back and collects in the bottom and forms the seed pool. As vacuum is applied through the cover to the disc, a seed is selected into the individual pockets of the disc. The seed then comes up to the singulator, and if there are multiples, the singulator removes those multiples. Seed continues its journey around until it gets to the release point. This release point occurs when vacuum is cut from the cover side. Seed then drops into the gravity drop tube and continues its journey to the seed trench. And there you have it. That is how the True Rate system functions today. So, you may be asking yourself, how do I know which meter is for me? And it really comes down to what your operation needs. So if you're looking for multi-crop support at speeds up to 13 kilometers per hour, the True Rate is a great solution for your operation. Thank you.